Hello guys, so I'm gonna present to you today some of the batteries that I'm using in order to use the power tool from Ryobi.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box to show you what's inside. So I have here the charger, two batteries, as you can see opening here, and on the charger you will have the different stage. Here it's easy to use, you just put it on the charger and plug it to the power. And note that this one is already charged, so as you can see the light is green here, but if I'm removing the battery you can see that it's red, and after that flashing red to go back in green. Alright, so those two are mainly the one that you will find with the Ryobi product, especially the One Plus, and they will help you to use all the machines and tools